Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
beta.
evening.
How are you all?
We are good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good, beta. Thank you so much. Good evening, beta. So let's start, children. Today we will discuss PYQs. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, beta, this question. In which quadrant the point P that divides the line segment joining the points in this ratio? So before that, Bhavna, please tell me the distance formula, beta. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhanshu, tell me the distance formula, beta. Huria,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, tell me the distance formula.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
If we have to find the distance between 2 points and they are having coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. What will be the
It's,
distance between them?
PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus
Yes.
y1 whole square.
Yes, very good, beta. And next is section formula. If line joining 2 points P and Q divided by any other point or line in ratio m and n, and then the coordinates of R will be, how you will find? Who will tell me the section formula? Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your section formula, beta?
Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n,
Yes.
comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n.
Yes, very good, beta. So, children, these two formulas you need to learn in this chapter. First is distance formula and second one is section formula. Okay. So, apply this formula here in question number 1. In which quadrant the point P that divides the line segment joining the points A 2 comma minus 5 and B 5 comma 2 in the ratio 2:3.
Ma'am, we are using section formula, right?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Because ratio is given, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So A coordinate is 2 comma minus 5. So x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 5. And B coordinate is 5 comma 2. So coordinate of B will be x2, 5, y2 is 2, right? And m ratio n, it makes 2 ratio 3, right? Even you can draw this figure also, okay? So it will be
Yes,
2 is
ma'am.
to 3. And this is x1, y1. And this is x2, y. Now find the coordinates.
Sir, ma'am,
Okay, Pranya, I have seen. Good, beta.
Ma'am,
Children, are
is
you
the
solving this
point
question?
lies on the fourth quadrant?
Fourth quadrant, okay. What is your answer, Moksha?
16 by 5 and 11 by 5.
16 by 5 and 11. Okay, I will check it. Aryan, have you done Bhavna? Sudhamshu?
Minus 11 by 5, ma'am. Minus 11 by 5.
Okay. Aryan, Abhinav, Dharya,
Then, ma'am, I'll continue.
Rizwana, Huria, Siddhishri, Sumok, have you done beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check your answer. So R coordinate will be mx2. You will write the formula first. Upon m plus n into my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Fine. So value of m is 2. 2 into x2 is 5 plus n is 3. x1 is 2. Upon 2 plus 3, 5. And then m is 2. y2 is 2 plus n is 3. y1 is minus 5. Upon 2 plus 3, 5. So it will be 10 plus 6 by 5, comma 4 minus 15 by 5. So it will be 16 by 5 and minus 11 by 5. So when x is positive and y is negative, this is in fourth quadrant, na? Right, children? These points lie in fourth quadrant. Grade 10, what happened?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All have got the same answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I made a mistake, ma'am. Instead of 16 by 5, I got only 5, ma'am. I took,
It's okay,
um,
it's okay. Yes, just read the question carefully and beta copy down, write correct answer, okay? Because if your question, you will copy down the question wrong, then your solution will be wrong, right? And
yes,
unnecessary your marks will be deducted.
yes, ma'am. I will do it now.
Yeah, beta. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So may we proceed to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the question. ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are this. Calculate the length of one of its diagonal. So any idea?
Ma'am, we'll use distance formula.
Yes, we will apply the distance. First of all, draw the rectangle on your coordinate axis, right? Draw the rectangle, children. So ABCD is a rectangle. This is your origin 5, right? And this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now when this is 0, here only 4, 0, and C coordinate 4, 3. It means 4 and 3 will lie here. Right, beta? 4, 3. Now D is 0, 3. It means this point. So this is your A point, this is your B point, this is C, and this is D. So your rectangle is this now.
Um, Hmm.
Mom, is the answer 5?
Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, you are.
ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children. Am I audible, children? And screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So, children, this figure will be obtained after using these coordinates. So, kindly find the length of one of its diagonal. So, you can find any diagonal, AC or BD. Okay. By this, now you can apply the distance formula. B coordinate is 4, 0. C coordinate is 4, 3. And D coordinate is 0, 3. Now find AC or BD. Find, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it necessary to do this graph and then draw this rectangle?
Without drawing the figure, you will not able to find the answer, beta. And this is the coordinate geometry. So if you will draw not the graph, you can draw on your simple answer sheet. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
use graph.
Ma'am, I actually just took point A and C directly.
So A is not mentioned. By drawing the figure only, you will get to know now which point is given A, which point is A. Right, beta?
Ma'am, actually what I didn't do that, ma'am, because any 3 sides would be taken, right? So that's why I just took 2
Yeah.
points.
Okay, okay. So you have taken B or D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But sometimes they can ask you about AC. Then you need to draw the figure. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, Rizwana, what your answer?
Is it 5?
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, my answer also
Good,
same,
beta.
ma'am. 5.
Yes, 5 is the answer.
Ma'am, how do we do this, ma'am?
Yes, Abhinav?
How to do this, ma'am?
See, first of all, you will plot the graph, right? Now we have to find the AC. So you will apply the distance formula. So what is your
So,
distance formula? It will be x2 minus x1 whole square
okay, ma'am,
plus
got it.
y2 minus y1 whole square. And here coordinates of this origin is the A point is 0, 0. Right? And coordinate of C point is 4, 3. So 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. Right, beta? So 16 plus 9, it will be root 25 or 5 units. This is the answer. Fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, all have understood this?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children, may I proceed to next? Kindly show me your thumbs up. Okay. Abhinav, Aryan, Rizwana, Siddhish, Rizwana have already told the answer. Sudhamshu, Somok, Siddhishri, Siddharth, Dharya. Okay. Now next is, see beta. See now, find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points A 5, minus 6 and B minus 1, minus 4. Also find the coordinates of the division. So any idea, children? What
Ma'am,
is given here?
Ma'am, we can take x as 0 because y-axis divides.
Yes, because the line is divided by only y-axis. So x coordinate is 0 only.
Ma'am, can you once show the before question is answered?
Yes, beta?
Can you once show the before questions answer?
Yeah, beta. Just
The previous question.
visible?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment. It means it is divisible by, it is divided by y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0, right, beta? So you will write, let R divides AB in M ratio n. Fine. So this will be M and this will be N. So you have to find the ratio first. It means values of M and N. And then you need to find this coordinate Y. Okay. So apply section formula first. A coordinate is 5, minus 6. So x1 is 5 and y1 is minus 6. And then B coordinate is minus 1, minus 4. X2 is minus 1 and y2 is minus. So apply section formula. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus. Solve it and tell me. Okay, Pranya. Find the coordinate also, beta, y coordinate.
Ma'am, I've made a small mistake, ma'am. I'll correct and send the answer again.
Okay, just check it.
Ma'am, is the ratio 5:1?
I will check it, beta. Okay, let's check the answer. The coordinates of R are 0, y, right? And a value of m will remain m only. X2 is -1 and n. X1 is 5 upon m plus n, right, beta? And then comma m y2. Y2 is -4 and y1. Y1 is -6 upon m plus n. So minus m plus 5n upon m plus n, comma minus 4m minus 6n upon m plus n. So till here all I've done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next you will compare the coordinates. So this x coordinate will be equal to this. So m plus 5n upon m plus n will be equal to 0. And then minus 4m minus n 6n upon m plus n will be equal to y. Okay. Now cross multiply. Then minus m plus 5n will be equal to 0, right, beta? Then minus m will be equal to minus 5n. Now you will transpose this n here. So minus n upon minus n will be equal to 5 upon 1. So minus minus cancel. So m ratio n will be 5:1. Got it, beta?
Yes.
Have you got the same answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now put these values m and n in this coordinate y. So minus 4 into 5 minus 6 into 1. Okay. Upon 5 plus 1, 6 is equal to y. Solve it. Minus 20 minus 6 by 6 is equal to y. So coordinate of y will be minus 13 by 3. Bye, beta. Okay, beta. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. This type of questions are quite important. Instead of y-axis, it can be asked that it is divided by x-axis only. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
May I proceed to the next question, children? Kindly show me a thumbs up. All have understood? Sumukh, Sudhanshu, Siddhishri, Rizwana, Huria, Dharya, Moksha, Abhinav, Aryan, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
this type of question we have already done. See, this was in NCERT. Let P and Q be the points of trisection. Trisection of the line segment joining the points A, 2, -2 and B is -7, 4 such that P is nearer to A. Then find the coordinates of P and Q. Children, will you solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And children, this thing I'm saying again and again, kindly send your solutions.
Ma'am, will Q be the midpoint of P and B?
Yes, beta?
Will Q be the midpoint of P and B?
Yes, yes. No, no. Yeah, it can be. Just wait. This is this now. Trisection they are asking. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. No, beta.
No, ma'am.
This is
P.
A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No, beta.
Ma'am, 1:1 ratio, right, ma'am? So wouldn't it be the
Yes.
midpoint?
No, it will not be the. Q will be the midpoint of P and B, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I asked.
Yes, yes. And P is the midpoint of AQ then.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, by the section formula, you will find the coordinate of P, right? It will be
Yes,
mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, right?
Yes,
So for
ma'am.
this Q point, the value of m will be 2 and value of n will be 1. So you can find beta. So after this, see children, Moksha, you are having doubt in 7.1 exercise beta, question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 10 is, find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the point. It means suppose this point is xy and they are equidistant from these points. It means this is 3 and this 6 and this point is -3, 4. So let mark this point coordinate be P. This is Q and this be R. Okay, beta? And in the question we have given equidistance. So it means PQ will be equal to PR. Right, beta? So squaring both sides, so PQ square is equal to PR square. Now apply the distance formula. So you will write x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Understood, beta? Moksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
PR
ma'am.
is, okay, beta. So x plus 3 whole square it will be, and then y minus 4 whole square. Now next step is just open it. A minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now here also apply. So y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sorry, minus 2ab. Clear? Now y square cancel, x square cancel. Right, beta? 9 cancel. Anything else which will be cancelled? No. So now minus 6x. Then transpose this 6x also. So minus 6x. Then minus 12y. Then plus 8y. Plus 36 minus 60. Right? So now minus 6 minus 12x. Minus 12 minus 4y. Plus 20 is equal to 0. Now you can divide this whole equation by minus 4. Divided by minus 4. Then you will get, beta, 2 or 4 3 are 12. 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the answer, beta, because we have to find the relation, not the value. Fine? All have understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, today I am sharing one worksheet with you. Kindly solve that worksheet, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In coordinate geometry, ma'am.
Yes, beta, coordinate.
And ma'am, this week we have test on
Coordinate
trigonometry.
only.
Yeah, coordinate.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, for this question, the answer is minus 1 comma 0 for P, and for Q it's minus 4 comma 2, right?
Okay, beta. Yes, beta.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So
Thank you,
children,
ma'am.
those
Bye,
who have
ma'am.
done with this question, they can leave, beta.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes, ma'am. I'm writing.
Yeah, you can write.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Done, Sumuk? That are done, beta? Am I audible, children? Bye-bye.